Alright guys, so today I'm going to be rinsing out my 2011 Goodman air conditioner. It actually just now turned on, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it off via disconnect. I'm using my tripod for this. I'm going to stick that in there upside down. And we're going to go ahead and rinse it out for the first time. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. Very dirty in the back. I can tell you that. Yeah, pretty freaking dirty on the back. It hasn't had airflow problems or cooling issues, but I'm gonna clean it out anyways, just to give it this little annual maintenance since it's never gotten any. The neighbor's Goodman's actually running right now. It's a little dirty right there. Back is very, very dirty, so we'll be using the hose here to rinse it out. Use that mode. So let's get started. I'm gonna cut this dinky cheap hose. Alright, here we go. Hard to get back there. Give it the old spitty spin spin, mama. Here. Oh, spinny spin spin. Figured I'd just throw in some comedy in there. And there's a reason why I'm using the GoPro for this. And it's this exact reason. And it's just a simple hose down. It honestly needs much more than that, but that's all I can do for now. Oops. There. I'm getting as good as shots as I can here. Ah, shit. Keeps turning my thing. I hope I'm getting good angles here. Yeah, it's kind of tight back here, so it's not easy to get to. Oh yeah. Much better. I'm not sure how well this video is going to turn out. And I just turned it on shower. Yeah, shower works too. Alright, now good front. Cheapo hose isn't doing the best here. And there goes the neighbor's unit. Might give that a rinsing. I do have the disconnect unplugged, as you saw me do before I started hosing it down. You hear the contactor buzzing. Hope this video turns out well. Yeah, I really wish I could get this cage off, but it would be too much of a pain in the ass to get it back in. Yeah, it's pretty hot out today. Might go over to the college heat pumps. And because of this, right when I turn it back on, it's gonna have low head pressure because the condenser's all cold. Give it the old spinny spin spin. Yeehaw! Hopefully I don't cringe watching that. Alright, back a little bit better. Oh shit. Sprang me. Alright. I think that's all it takes. There's a whole bunch of shit down there in the base pan, but nothing really I can do about that. I could take off the top grill and get in there, but it was a pain in the ass getting it back on last time, so. Oh yeah, it looks pretty clean. Oh yeah. Might rinse it out a little bit more off camera, but yeah. Why not rinse out the neighbor's unit? Let's go ahead and do this one real fast. Get the hose back here. Look at these kinks. Get out of these kinks. It's this cheap old plastic hose. Yeah, hang on. It's the damn thing untangled. It's all tangled up. Wish I could do about it though. Damn kinks. Ugh. Alright, now let's try and get the neighbor's unit. I have it shut off at the disconnect. This one's pretty clean, but oh. With the old spinny spin spin. Oh yeah. 09 Goodman gets a shower. And I'll get all that pine stuff out of it off camera. Shit, get my shoes wet. It's pretty dirty on the back here. Gotta watch out for these blackberry bushes. Oh yeah. I don't want to get stuck by these blackberry bushes. It's pretty dirty back here. Got cobwebs and shit. If it wasn't clean before, it certainly is clean now. Wish I had a coil cleaner. The covering on the suction line's coming off. All right. That one's done. And let's go ahead and turn the Goodman back on. Alright. That's nice and cool coming out. Oh, that cool air feels good. Nice cool air. Nice and clean. Yeah, like I said, I might get a little bit more off camera, but there you go. Cleaning up the two Goodmans. Thanks for watching.